game 3 and inside pass. No, another 1 points.
Dapat nagdala ka kay kaso may tapilo ka pala. Kung kailan laging maraming slot doon, hindi tayo magkalaro.
Save ball. SD inside the run. Hesitation. Don't hesitate. Either Gaitan, lumulubog, no. Number 21, inside, Kapigan. Putata kay SD. Taking the shot, no good. Inside, right, inside. No good, Peter Gaitan, no. Gaitan, Gaitan. No. Lovely gets the ball. Uy, line on the right side, Mahina. Gaitan in the move. Back to Gaitan. Cross. He takes the shot. No, whoa, Peter, here. Opponent's ball. Nagulat sa pasa. Inside to Mahina. No, to Gaitan. Gaitan in the move. Yeah. Oh, pwede ulit ko. Oy, bago kasi shoes eh. Yan talaga pag bago shoes. Pag bago shoes, nananapa ko na. Oh, yeah, save ball. SD on the move to the left side. Lobby takes the ball to no good. Last break opportunity. Bounce pass to JM to the right side. No, Kapigan. 2 points. Boy, Gaitan grabs the bounce pass of SD. Gaitan to the left side. Cross pass to no one. That's a turnover. No, natapik pala. Save ball. Inside to JM to Gaitan. Opponent's ball. Love it on the move. Love pass. Gets it. Bright. Oh, almost got it for the pivot. On the left to the right. Gets the basket, 2 points. 6-2. SD showing some handles, my goodness. Back to him, back to right, fake, inside, 3 seconds, SD. Peter Gaitan and the move to the right side. JM gets no, Kapigan. Mendoza grabs the ball. Mendoza cross. Mendoza attacks. Ay, sayang Mendoza. Backward violation. Inside to JM, 2 points. 8-2. Same ball. Last 5 minutes. Basket change for Lobby 3. Peter Gaitan, 2 points. Ten-7. Kung nasan yung board nyo, nandun yung scoreboard. Mendoza! Fire! Tapikan on the right side. Pass ball. Inside. Gaitan. No. Takes the shot. No pa rin. Opponent's ball. Inside. Mahina yung SD. SD. Cross. Oh! Oh! 2 points for SD. Showing the handles. Grabe yun ah. Nakakahilig kasi. Number 8. To Peter. Fake to JM. 2 points. Kanila ulit. 2 points na naman. $14-9. Lobby throws the 2. Ayos ah. 11-14. Peter Gaitan and the move to the right side. To number 8. Inside! Oh! Another try rejected by Mahinay. Save ball. Opponent's ball. Mendoza. Power come, no good. Peter fast break. To the left, to the right. The wrong foot lays 2 points. Peter, oh, inside. Basket ba? Counted. Moja 15-16. Ay. Inside. Oh! Ganda ng pop. 15-16. Sa lamak. 3. Tapana. 2 points. 17-16. Cage Baymore. Step in on the line. SD basketball, deny. Same ball. SD to Mahinay. Dali kayo. Turbo yan. Gaitan. Rapidi. 19-16. Oy, oh my goodness. Ano yun? Right side bounce pass. No. Number 79, Mendoza. Oy! Grabe naman yun. Love it. Grab sa ball. 20 seconds remaining to Tabana. 2 shots para